Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see here, I have my Stash Invest open, and what I'd like to do today is talk about a couple new investment options that have been added to the platform. This was alerted to me by a couple different viewers on the channel, essentially saying that there are two new ETFs that are available for investment options on the application. As you guys know, I put $1,000 in about a month and a half ago with the idea of evaluating each one of the particular investment options with regards to percent return on investment. Clearly there were some winners and losers so far in the app. Again, I put $1,000 in about a month ago, and you can see here wireless wonders, telecoms down 4.68%, all that glitters down 4.48%. And to remind you guys as well, all of these particular investment options are rebranded ETFs. So they take, for example, Waterworld here, they take an ETF. On the bottom there, the ticker PHO, PowerShares Water Resource Portfolio, and they really rename it to their own, or rebrand it to their own investment option, Water the World. They kind of put them into different categories. Park My Cash, all of these are rebranded ETFs in one stock. The roll with Buffett is a Berkshire Hathaway Class B stock. And you can see here so far the total return $16.90, but there is a fee per month to have this application, $1 per month for portfolios less than $5,000. So you can see here that even though I've made $16.90, $6 of that has been taken out of my profit for fees. So that's quite a large proportion. So that's why I always recommend getting into Robinhood rather than this particular investment application. But for new investors who don't have a lot of money, maybe only $5 per month, this is a great way to get some experience in the markets. But I definitely would, after building up some capital, transfer that over to Robinhood to avoid the $1 per month fee. It seems like a small fee, but you can see here a very large proportion of my total net return. So like I said, there's two new investment options that are under the I Want part of the investment scheme here. The first one here is Essential Europe, and both of these look like they're international centric ETFs. This one here is a great Vanguard fund, a Europe ETF. The ticker is VGK. They're a great dividend yield, actually, 3.02%. Relatively low expense ratio, 0.10%. You can see a lot of European companies here: Nestle, Roche, Novartis, HSBC Holdings, British American Tobacco. So I put $10 into this particular ETF. A little bit higher risk with international stocks, but definitely higher rewards as well. And the second one here is Pacific Powerhouses. It looks like this is a Japanese-centric ETF. This is also a Vanguard fund. The ticker is VPL. Good dividend yield as well, 2.34%. The expense ratio, relatively low, 0.10%, like the last stock. And again, this looks like it's Japanese, Australian, Hong Kong companies here: Samsung, Toyota, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, AIA, Mitsubishi are some of the top holdings here. So I went ahead and put $10 into each one of these stocks. We'll kind of see how they perform with regards to overall investment. So again, I had put $1,000 into the portfolio. I have bought all of the investment options. There were 36. It looks like there's now 38 investment options, 37 ETFs in one stock, the Berkshire Hathaway Class B stock. Again, I'll be putting out a video per month updating you guys on the portfolio, and probably after about 6 months or so, I'll probably take the capital and move it over to Robinhood. But again, if one of these stocks is performing exceptionally well, and or you guys want me to continue following along with the Stash Invest app, I certainly will do that. But for right now, I definitely think Robinhood is the way to go. No commissions trading. There is no maintenance fee, $1 per month like Stash Invest has. But again, for new investors, this really limits the number or different types of ETFs that you can get into. But again, there are clearly some winners and some losers with regards to what is available here. So I wouldn't necessarily say each one of these is a great investment option. So far, the trial experiment that I've been doing, there are definitely some of these ETFs that are much, much better than others. But again, I'll do an update video about the performance of my particular, but you can see here so far made $16.90, but $6 has been taken out for fees. Total return is 1.70%. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. Just wanted to go over the new investment options on Stash Invest to let you guys know that they are adding to the application. Again, not all of these ETFs are great, but again, I'm doing an experiment here to see which ones will perform the best. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.